Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google Drive app and tapping the plus button, then select Scan. Give the app camera and storage permissions so the scanner can save files. Choose the default folder now so every scan lands where you want it. This avoids moving files later. Next, choose image quality, high for text clarity, medium to save space. Once done, position the document, tap the shutter, and proceed without toggling unrelated settings. You should focus on capture technique and immediate edits. Frame the document evenly and use ambient light or flash to reduce shadows. This improves OCR accuracy. After you capture, make sure to crop tightly, rotate if necessary, and reorder pages for multi-page documents. If you need editable or searchable text, enable the text recognition option before saving. This converts images into searchable PDFs. Once satisfied, you finish by giving the file a clear name, selecting or creating the correct folder, and adding collaborators if needed. Make sure to set sharing permissions, viewer, commenter, or editor directly from Drive. If you rely on OCR, open the saved PDF to confirm text is selectable. If it is not, rescan with higher contrast, sharper focus, or convert using Drive's PDF export. If problems persist, restart the app and retry. That often clears temporary permission or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.